Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his little elf crew. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his reindeer too. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center. You know what to do. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, just twerk the center.
Twerking is the sin, I gotta twerk it like this.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna get started on like decorating my living room because it's time. And my kitchen. My kitchen and my living room are one thing. It's literally one situation. So I want to figure this out. I keep having kind of glimpses of vision. This is how it was with my bedroom upstairs. I knew what I wanted upstairs in my brain, and then once I drew it out, I was like, okay, this makes sense. I think I need to do that with this space here as well. This feels so jumbled and disconnected, and there feels like there's no design identity here. It's trying to be like natural fur. This kind of looks like stone. We have lots of wood. I want to make the design a bit more eclectic and fluid, but I also want to make this space feel more organized so it feels like a painting, you know what I mean, where everything is balanced. I also, for my kitchen, it's it's not a hot mess right now. There's a lot going on, but all of it's just dishes that I washed. And I got some chicken over there thawing out, y'all. I got some contact paper. I'm gonna test it on one of the drawers or something. I'll leave it there for like a week, try to take it off, and if it messes up the cabinets, then I'm not doing it. But I do wanna change all of the identity of this whole kitchen. I think that would make this space so much cooler. Over here as well, you see that's my bedroom up there. I wanna maybe paint this wall, and then I gotta figure out what to do with all these plants. I don't feel like they're really all that intentionally placed. I just have like a ton here. This giant plant. When I got it, it was kind of more together, you know what I mean, pinched up, and then it just kind of spread out over time because the leaves got longer, and now it's so big.
What's big?
Your upper body.
And I don't know where to put it because it's a lot going on. I don't really have a place like on a floor to kind of put it because it's a 360 plant. Like this one is really well developed on all sides, which is nice. I actually like that, but then it makes it kind of hard because most of my plants are like leaning to one side.
85% lean.
This one I've been working with for years, and I've been overwatering her. She's a hot mess right now. God bless.
Bye.
God bless. Have a good day, sis. I don't want to be at a table and not be able to watch the TV or like look out the window. So I have to take this definitely off the table. Something that me and my ex kind of always complained about was that there was no light that reached the table. Not saying that that is a place for a table. Like they didn't engineer the space thinking that maybe a table would be right there because we have this big situation here. These lights here, those lights there, and those lights there, and none of them really light that area. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna move this shelf and then maybe put a swing arm light. I would love a lantern. 3-piece set of lanterns or just one really nice sleek swing arm lamp that goes over the table. Very simple, that's all I want. And I want this table to be clean and clear. I don't want 10,000 candles on it.
Hang it up, flat screen.
I really want to declutter this space, tie it up. Nah, what I'm finna cook? What I'm finna cook with these new pots and pans? I feel so adult. Like I feel like a man.
That's a black king right now.
These are so nice. You know, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Caraway sent me these. You can kind of see their logo right there. These are really high quality. From the pictures, you can't tell that they're this high quality. This is built to last. You got some good non-stick in there. And the lids are, I think, my favorite. They're so pretty. I gotta take the plastic off the lid. Plastic off the sofa, child.
I know you can help but to be yourself from me. Yourself from me. No.
And they come with a carrying case, so you can like hook this up to the inside of your cabinet, and then like the lids go in. They slide in just like that. That's so pretty. Yeah, this is perfect because I've been needing some organization. And my pots here, I got from Target a while ago, and fine, they hold up. They're like losing their non-stickness. But now I have a good saute one. I have a frying pan, a pot, and then this big mama jama. And the color's beautiful. I chose marigold because I wanted to have more fun here. I have this system here that I can like hang pots up. I just think they would be pretty hanging out there. It comes with little stands as well. This is perfect. And these little heat pads. Tells you how to take care of your pans and whatnot. And this gives me a lot of good advice, to be honest. You only gotta use this on low to medium heat because it conducts heat differently. One purchase that I will never regret is this little cart. This cart has been carrying America in apartment complexes for years. I'm grateful for this cart.
Thank you for all the support you have given me in the past few days. Thank you, and I really appreciate it.
Happy Thanksgiving, ho.
What?
This is what I'm eating, child. Yeah. Yeah. The way I absolutely could have just flown over to the East Coast and been with my family. But honestly, Thanksgiving kind of snuck up on me this year. Girl, I was not ready. I was not prepared. I was working. Oh snap, girl, is today Thanksgiving? I think today's Thanksgiving. And I call my mom and everybody's there, the whole family is there. Girl, cooked the whole house down. I could smell what they was cooking through the phone. I stopped celebrating Thanksgiving a very long time ago, but it is nice for everybody to have time off to kind of spend time together. I spent time cleaning up. I watered some of my plants, getting things in order so I can continue working in peace for the next month. This is weird. Has this ever happened to any of you guys? I opened up my Paramount Plus app. Very clear that somebody's been using my Paramount Plus app because I don't watch none of these shows. Usually when I come in to this app, it's like Survivor and Big Brother are like queued up because it's like keep on watching what you've already been watching. And I was like, this don't look right. Girl, somebody's been watching these shows. What is this? I don't watch none of it. 60 Minutes, World War Z, Unmasking the Idol. This look like something like an older person would watch.
And my grandmother.
Girl, and then there's Blue's Clues and Paw Patrol. Who are these people? I do not watch this stuff. What is this?
And y'all forgot I'm a paralegal. I know the law. I don't give a what y'all tell me. That knew what she was.
Girl, I got a few. Oh, what was that?
You can back up a little bit.
Yeah. Split into like fake friends. Cut them off. Period. Wanted to really come up here real quick and say that I've been using do-rags a lot as of late. For protective styles, these just fit so snugly on the top of your head. Just a regular scarf don't be doing it for me no more. Regular scarves are still superior though for like washing goes and all that stuff. I'm out of like my smoothie stuff. I gotta go to the store and get more fruit. It's messing up my flow. I need to wake up, wash my face, brush my teeth. Did I brush my teeth? I don't remember brushing my teeth. I gotta go brush my teeth. Hurry up, hold on.
If it smells like a booty, go brush your teeth.
Wow. I knew something was off, child. These pots is so cute. And they come with little drying rags. For real? Yeah, so you can just dry them on the thing. That's nice, that's nice. Headed to the grocery store to see if they have Black Friday deals. I want 50% off onions, 50% off chicken wings, 90% off beef wagyu, and tomato paste better be free. I'm about to go trample all over the girls. Girl, I'm about to go trample all over the girls. I'm gonna get in the cart and like use a paddle to like get to this sale fest. I am going to the grocery store and I do have thoughts about Black Friday. It's dumb. Wow, that's such a hot take, like brand new take, never heard, never seen before. But I don't know what's going on, but the sales just aren't selling. Also, screw capitalism. Screw the gimmicks of capitalism. Like, capitalism has to work for now. Obviously, we all have jobs. Like, no matter what, it's like you can't not participate in capitalism until there's like safe alternatives for you to survive. But at least if you're gonna have a Black Friday sale, why is it 10% off? The sales aren't sales anymore. It's just a little couple penny, couple quarters off the price. I need it to be 50, 70, 80, 90% off. When's the last time you saw people like rushing into, oh gosh, the Salvation Army out, ringing the bell? Every year, child. Bells will be ringing. Salvation Army at the grocery store. But really, when's the last time y'all saw people like lined up outside of Macy's or whatever to get like the latest toy? We don't have toy crazes anymore, and the sales are just a regular day at Walmart. Anyway, I got my grocery list here. Don't go to the store without a grocery list. And a reusable grocery bag. Boom. I've been so tired of the food that I've been cooking lately. Like, I can't cook. I need to stop saying that. I am learning how to cook, okay? I want to really learn how to at least have like 5 meals that I can whip out at any time. Right now, it's straight up just... Right now, though, it's just like, oh no.
Get it away from me now.
She gotta go. I can't do these carts, these loud carts.
Shut up!
That's one thing about me, child. I would never, ever deal with a loud cart. Gordon Ramsay had this recipe that I was watching today. Thai curry rice, spicy Thai chicken, crunchy, tasty, spicy garlic, green beans. So I'm just gonna make that. See, this is like kind of a part of cooking that I don't like, which is looking for stuff, specific products that I don't necessarily have at home. Happy for the opportunity to, you know, increase the pantry stock. When it comes to literally finding fish sauce right now, I would rather go munch on nails. Other people's nails. Not the hardware nails. Other people's nails.
Disgusting.
I just want fish sauce. It says it's in this aisle, but then there's like 85 million sauces, right?
Too much.
It's too much to look at. Like, why isn't it alphabetical order. Excuse me?
Excuse
Can
me?
you help me find something, maybe? I'm just looking for fish sauce.
Was up top. We had it a few months ago.
Yeah, I'm wondering if I'm just missing it or... So, they didn't have the dang on fish sauce, child. So, I gotta go to another place. While I was ringing up, they didn't even have half of the things in the dang on system. Like, there's no price tag on this. And when I look it up by the name or the picture, it's not there. So, they had to, like, do some coding in the back. They had to hack the system, child. Girl, they had to hack the system. And then on my way out, I thought I saw my ex. Who? Like right there. Child, I thought I saw my ex as I was walking out. It was just a person who looked like pretty much like them when they have a hat on and glasses.
We do not care.
I'm gonna turn right because I have to go to Sprouts. I gotta go to Sprouts, child, to get oh, God, don't get ran over, child.
My bad, I'm sorry.
People need to chill out when they crossing the street. First of all, use a crosswalk. I couldn't find my keys to get out of the car and lock it. Girl, my keys were in the green beans.
What?
Why was my keys hiding in the green beans? I'm not gonna lie, this is making me dizzy.
Let me just go in the bush and weep. Let me just go in the bush and weep.
My brain is trying to grasp at a color system. It just sucks that I have to read every single bottle. I kid you not, it's like 8 kids playing soccer outside my door. I can't take this no more. This is my worst nightmare. I moved from my old apartment complex to get away from kids. I come here, who moves in next door? The Proud family, Brady Bunch. One of them is like too small to even play soccer, so she just riding around on a little scooter.
So we got these little scooters in Atlanta. If you live in Atlanta, I know you done seen them.
2 years old, get your kids, and there's no supervision, there's no adult out there. He's just running back and forth, kicking soccer balls, hitting my door. And it's like, I don't want to be the Grinch. I don't want to be the Grinch where it's like, get your kids out of here. I hate kids. It's not that I hate kids. It's I hate the noise that kids make. Like, I can't do it. It's like too much for my spirit at this point in time. I don't want to complain to the office, child, because I don't want nobody to really get in trouble. This could be fixed with just communicating with the parents of these children. And really, that's point blank. I have to like work through that. What I'm afraid of in my brain, what's stopping me is confronting them and then them being like, no, we don't care. Let our kids play. Because then at that point, I'm going to have to go to the office, child. I'm going to have to complain to somebody who's going to make it stop for real.
Stop it!
And I don't want it to be awkward every time I see them in the hallway. But it's like, I can either make it awkward and have peace and quiet and be peaceful in my spirit, or I can sit here and let it continue to happen and then just like complain, but nothing get done about it. So I'm gonna make that choice when I get to it. But right now, I'm making this marinade for this chicken. You got tamarind paste. Well, this is tamarind puree, brown sugar, vegetable oil, fish sauce, which I finally found at Sprouts, garlic, chili flakes, and then just gonna marinate that until like tonight when I need to cook dinner. Now, Gordon, now you know this sauce is funky. Funky! Funky! It stinks. Fish sauce, disgusting type of smell.
You stink, Blade.
Disgusting type beat, but it better taste good. I just made some green beans and a peanut sauce, toasted sesame on top. I made this Thai green chili pepper sauce that's gonna go over some rice that I just cooked. I have some chicken. I don't like the way this looks now. But this was the recipe. All this black stuff is like tamarind paste. The girl has finished meal prepping. Thank God. Oh my God, this better taste good too. I have a habit of not tasting the food as I go. I should actually do that so that I'm not surprised when I finally go and eat it. But I did taste the chicken. The chicken is actually really good. It needed a little bit of salt, so I just sprinkled some salt over it. Tasted the sauce that is on the rice, but I don't know how it tastes like, you know, big gulp type of tea. The green beans, I tasted the peanut sauce a little bit, but don't know how it tastes altogether. Maybe it needs more salt, maybe not. All in all, shout out to Gordon Ramsey for getting me off my booty and actually cooking today. I don't gotta worry about food for the next 4 to 5 days. The biggest stressor in my life, what am I gonna eat? One thing about me, I'm gonna have my nighttime cookies, child. Every time I meal prep, I always make like some kind of dessert as well. This time, it was peanut butter cookies. Real simple, real cute, and a little bit of oat milk on the side, period. These vlogs are actually so fun because I don't have to have structure for them. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Do you like a beginning, a middle, and end? Even though not much happens in one day. That's why I've been splicing all these clips together. I'm not a vlogger, or at least one that like can pull stories from their daily lives. I just be living, child. You know what I mean? And whenever I feel like talking, that's when I pick up the camera. If I don't have nothing to say, then girl, what's the point of picking up a camera? You want me to pick up a camera and be like, No. But as you can see with this vlog, now that it's over, yes, over, there's lots of loose ends, which is how I live my life. I usually have like 12 projects going on at once. And when I say projects, I think of everything as a project. Washing clothes is a project for me. I have like 12 things that I need to do. While some things like washing dishes can be done in a finite amount of time. I start the dishes at 12, I end washing dishes at 12:30. Boom, done. It's crossed off the list. But things like decorating my apartment, like that's not something I can just do in 30 minutes. I can give myself a soft deadline, but it will take time for things to ship to me and for ideas to come and for me to rearrange things and edit it down. So that is like another project that I'll have tabbed in my brain. So when I start a conversation in these vlogs, it's hard to end it in the same day. At the beginning of this vlog, I was like, ooh, yeah, I want to redecorate, girl. And then it was like, never heard about it again, cricket. Because there's no progress. Nothing really happened with that yet. But it's still happening, so I'm going to continue updating y'all. I just wanted to touch base about that because I guess I was feeling a little just aware of it. I'm not insecure about it at all, but I'm aware of it, and I want y'all to know that I'm aware of it and that it's not necessarily an editing style. It is just the way that my life is. I'm literally just holding up a mirror to what I do on a daily basis and what I'm thinking about and just putting it there in the vlog. So that's the end of this episode of Vlogmas. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give it a click, a little boom, a little tickle it. Oh my God. Sometimes I feel like somebody just takes over my body and I'm like a whole different person. Isn't that possession?
What?
I think I have like a quirky trait. Like, oh, sometimes like I get like taken over and it feels like I'm a whole different person. And then coming to find out, girl, I've been getting possessed. Girl, anyway, follow me on all the stuff, child. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.